In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide a page on Wix. Whether you're preparing a page for future updates, working on a draft, or simply want to keep certain content private, hiding a page is a simple way to control what your visitors see. Wix makes it easy to manage your site's visibility and customize the experience for your audience. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to hide a page from your menu in just a few quick steps. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website and enter your login credentials. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your dashboard, where you can see all the websites and projects associated with your account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account if you manage multiple sites. Next, navigate to the specific website project that you want to edit. From your dashboard, select the site you're working on. This will open the Wix editor where you can make changes to the design structure and settings of your website. Once you're in the Wix editor, look over to the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a menu bar with several icons. Find the one that looks like stacked horizontal lines. This is the page icon, and it allows you to manage all the pages on your site. Go ahead and click on it to open up the list of pages. Now that you have the list of pages in front of you, locate the specific page you want to hide. The pages are listed by name, so scroll through until you find the one you're looking for. If you're not sure which page it is, take your time to double check so you don't accidentally hide the wrong page. When you've found the page you want to hide, move your cursor to the right-hand side of the page title. You'll see 3 small dots appear. These dots represent the More Options menu. Click on the 3 dots to open a drop-down with additional settings for that page. In the drop-down menu, you'll see several options, but the one you're looking for is Hide from Menu. Click on this option to hide the page. Once you do this, the page will no longer appear in your site's navigation menu. This is a great way to keep certain pages hidden from visitors while still keeping them accessible for you to edit or use later. And that's it. Your page is now hidden from the menu. Keep in mind that hiding a page from the menu doesn't delete it or make it inaccessible, it simply removes it from the navigation bar. If you ever want to unhide the page, you can go back to the same menu and select Show in Menu to make it visible again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.